Hello to my fellow subscribers and YouTubers. Welcome to another episode of Science. Today you'll be learning about DNA and its structures. DNA is a hereditary molecule that contains instructional information, which influences the characteristics such as eye color or personality of living organisms of all kinds. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, which is organized into 46 different chromosomes found in every cell nucleus in your body. We'll talk about chromosomes later in the video.
Let's explore the structure of DNA. DNA is made up of nucleotides, as you can see below. This is a nucleotide. Each of these branches are nucleotides. They make up the DNA structures. They contain a sugar, a phosphate, and a base. There are 4 kinds of bases, which are adenine, thymine, guanine, or cytosine. This is one strand of DNA. There are 2 strands that make up the double helix strand. On this strand, there's G, A, T, T, C. These arrangement of bases is what make up the characteristics of a living organism, such as personality or body color. For example, the first 5 letters of the giant Madagascar hissing cockroach is GATTC. This arrangement of bases, as you can see here, is what creates its dark color and its hissing behavior, hence the name hissing cockroach. Nucleotides make up the DNA, and they line up in their linear formation to create a strand of the RNA, as you can see here. The 2 RNA strands, again on the other side, join up together with the bases meeting up in the middle, with their complementary base pairs meeting up, GNC and ANT. This is called a double helix strand, and they twist and twist to shorten their lengths so they can fit within the tiny cell nucleus. As you can see in the animation, histones wind up the long DNA strand into more curls. Zooming out, you can also see that the DNA structures keep winding together until it makes chromosome structures you are seeing. There are 46 of these in the cell nucleus, 23 coming from your mother and the rest from your father. And now you have it. We have covered the topic of DNA. So basically, DNA is made up of bases, which then makes up your genes that determine who you are, and they bundled together to form a double helix strand inside your cells. Peace.